Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust tripod legs and height. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. So once again, just to clarify, without that super long, ridiculous intro, the topic of this video tutorial will be, let's try that again. The topic of this video tutorial will be the following: how to adjust tripod legs and tripod height. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this step-by-step instructional video. Okay, that was a super long intro, I do apologize, but you know, sometimes I gotta just throw out a little bit of ridiculousness. So right here, what I have is a tripod. This is, I've had this tripod for basically the better part of 10 years, okay? So this is quite old, but most tripods are still gonna be very similar. Now, your tripod will most likely have extendable and retractable legs. And there's usually gonna be two different ways to unlock and lock those extendable and retractable legs. The first way is this way right here, okay? And the way to unlock these is you just flip this lever out like this, just like that, and then you can now extend one segment of the leg, and then to lock it in place, just like that. Once again, flip it out, I'm going to the next segment, just like that, extend it, lock it in place, and then flip it out, extend it, lock it in place. So right now I've adjusted the legs of the tripod, okay? I'm going to show you another trick. When you have multiple of them, what you can do, I learned this from seeing a professional videographer set up his tripod, and I was like, wow, that's genius, right? When you have 3 of them, or 4, or 2, or 5, whatever it is, right? Flip them all out at once. Look at that. All the segments are extended, and then now I can lock each one individually, okay? Now the other method for extending the tripod legs is going to be to twist them. So instead of flipping out a lever, you're just going to have to twist the leg to loosen it and then twist it to tighten it. But that is less common. The reason is because it is less reliable in the sense that you might think your tripod legs are locked, but in reality, right, maybe you're moving the tripod around and one leg gets untwisted. So, you know, and then loosens up. So most likely you're gonna have levers of some sort or like knobs of some sort, okay? So that's essentially how to adjust the legs. Now, how do you adjust the height? Well, generally speaking, this is the highest that my tripod will go. I mean, I can bring the legs in closer and make it go like this tall, but that's like less reliable because it's more prone to falling, right? You know, but it does go a little bit taller. But when the tripod legs are fully out, this is the height. And obviously, you know, it's very, very sturdy in this position. It's just gonna keep moving. I can basically almost not knock it over unless I like body check this thing, okay? And even so, you know, I have to hit it at the right angle. And I'm no football player, so I'm not gonna be, you know, this is probably gonna stay up. I can't knock this thing over, like I said. Anyways, to adjust the height, okay, what you wanna do is pick all of the legs. Not pick, I mean, it seemed like you were gonna choose 1 or 2. Get all of the legs, and then you wanna bring them up or down. So like make the tripod taller or shorter in the same height. So let's say, just to make it easy to follow along with, I can get all of the legs and I can retract the lowest segment on all of them, right? Now let's say I only do 2 of them. What's gonna happen is, it's gonna be, look at this, it's on an angle. It doesn't even stay up. It's gonna fall over, okay? So you need to do all of the legs equally, and that will allow you to adjust the height. So now I've done all of the legs, and now it is sturdy. It's kind of hard to see, but it's sturdy like that, okay? In addition, you can go in between the, you know, the full segment. Like I retracted a full segment. I could go about halfway, give or take, okay? And I could do the same thing with all of the legs. And obviously you can fine tune it after you put the tripod on the ground. But I like to just go like this, and then put it on the ground and see. Okay, so I can see right now it's leaning a little bit towards me on this side, meaning this leg right here is a little too short. So I'm going to open it up a little bit more, just by a touch, and now, level, balanced, right? That's it. That is how to adjust the tripod legs and the tripod height. An easy tutorial. Like I said, most tripods are going to be very, very similar with how you adjust them. But yeah, that's it. It's honestly easy instructions for how to adjust the height of a tripod and the legs of a tripod. That's it. Sorry, last thing. Some tripods are going to also have an additional feature, which on this one I can bring the legs up by pulling this lever up. So I think it's, yeah, one of them was giving me, maybe this way. Yeah, sorry, I do apologize. I can pull the lever down, and then I can overextend the legs like that, like this. Cool, eh? Pretty cool. And then when I bring it down, it's gonna click back in place. So now it's back in place and I can't overextend it. Yeah, that's it. That's essentially it, how to level a tripod. Sorry, that's the next video that I have on my notes here. That's another video that I'm gonna do. So sorry, this wasn't how to level a tripod. This is how to adjust tripod legs and height. An easy tutorial. I never make those mistakes, but it's all good. And that's truly it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know. Sorry, let me try that again. I was a little bit distracted there. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I tried to make it a little bit educational and a little bit entertaining at the same time. So hopefully you thoroughly enjoyed those instructions, those step-by-step instructions and demonstrations. All right, let's roll this outro out of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.